Past continuous tense is the tense when we talk about action which which was happening or taking place in the past, but not in the present. It has a structure subject plus was where was or where plus before plus other verb. Before means ing form of verb. In the same way, here I have example for you. He was going to market then. She made me while I was
सर ये सुने
talking
ना
to
वाली।
you. We have talked about some rules as well of past continuous. सिम्पली हामीलाई बढी यसमा दिमाग लगाउनु पर्दैन, स्ट्रक्चर याद राख्नुपर्छ, इक्जाम्पलहरु बुझ्नुपर्छ है। रुल नम्बर 1 मा यसको के हुन्छ, सब्जेक्ट सँग v2 अदर वर्ड, अर्को साइडमा while plus subject plus was or where plus before other word. It has two clause, one main clause, one while clause. While सँग past continuous हुन्छ भने अर्को जुन क्लज हाम्रो जस्तो हामी के भन्छौं, सिम्पल पास्ट। यो सिम्पल पास्ट भनेपछि सँग पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस हुन्छ। जस्ट फर एग्जांपल, फेरि म लेख्ने भन्दा पहिले लेखेको थिए, यू कैन आल्सो राइट just like he answered his teacher, or he answered okay, leave it. You can write while his teacher was teaching, he spoke in the middle. एउटा यो पनि सेन्टेन्स हुन सक्छ। अनि ठीक छ, okay. So while his teacher was teaching, he spoke in the middle. यसलाई हामी सुरुमा पनि लेख्न सक्छौं, he spoke in the middle while his teacher was teaching. When you write while clause at first, you have to give comma, but when you write main clause at first, you don't need to add comma. Yes, just you use while, then after start your sentence. Rule number 2, there are some adverbials like been. In present continuous, we have to use now, whereas in the past continuous, we have to use then. At that time, okay. In the same way, at that moment. In the same way, we can use all yesterday. Past continuous, yes, is very important for making sentence, just like they were sleeping all yesterday. आजकल मानिसहरु दिनभर त सुत्दै त रहेछ, खाना खाने र सुत्ने काम भइरहेछ because of lockdown. Yes, we don't have another work, so we have two structure, or we can say two rules regarding past continuous. One, subject plus be2 plus other word, then while plus subject plus was where plus before plus other word. Next, then, at the time, at that moment, all is together. They are the structure you can follow for making the sentence for past continuous. यसको यतिकै छ, अरु केही बुझ्नु पर्यो भने you can ask after writing this, okay? Which which was taking place in the past is known as past continuous. It has some duration, yes, not for all time. Yes, is it clear? Talk about past perfect. Structure for past perfect is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus other word. If you find example like this, I had a car, this is not past perfect, this is simple past. But for past perfect, I had a car. I had a car. So look, there is confusion that you may have. You have to manage, yes, your concept. You have to clear your concept. Okay. So here had plus had means you have structure had plus then here verb 3. But here had means V2 plus other word. So this is simple past and so this is past perfect. Example again, he had done everything before his teacher asked him. So this is just example. We can discuss more than this, but simply try to understand that what is past perfect. Past perfect is the tense which talks about the action which had taken place in the past and having no any connection in the present. It is perfect. Perfect means completed form of action. There is no any kind of result withheld. May be felt or past, but successful condition, achievement in the past. Yes, then you write again, we discuss. So now we talk about the basic three pattern, language pattern, or we can say rule for past perfect. Past perfect में तीनटा important rules are. Rule number 1, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus other word plus before plus subject plus V2 plus other word. एउटा यो structure छ. अर्को मैं gap दिन्छु, you can also give gap or you can write example, no problem. Example मै लेख्न सकिन्छ. The patient had died. This is very famous example. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. There any famous example हो? Patient had died before the doctor arrived. हाम्रो देशमा यही हुन्छ, बिरामी मरिसकेपछि डाक्टर जान्छन्, हल्का फल्का चेक गर्छन्, पोस्टमार्टम गरिदिन्छन्, त्यसपछि काम खत्तम. So यो एउटा universal truth भइसकेछ आजकल. Next example for this, you can also write about the teacher had given some home assignment before the bell rang. घन्टी बज्नुभन्दा पहिले टिचरले केही दिइहाल्नु थियो, केही घरको लागि है गृह कार्य भन्छ नि हाम्रो भाषामा, टास्क है, होमवर्क. Next example, not next structure, what we can say rule, subject plus V2 plus other word, yes, plus after plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus other word. So look, one rule is this: before takes simple past, whereas after takes past perfect. The same thing, the same example is mentioned here. You can get the same example. Yeah, the bell rang, yes, after the teacher had, or we can say after the teacher had completed his class or completed his course, or we can say completed his lecture or topic. Yes, topic, we can say topic of teaching. Next example we can also write. Yes, he died after he had got corona. Okay, corona, hey, like this. After he had got corona. There is some example as well. Okay, you can write. We have 10-minute time. सुन्ने है. Okay. So यहाँ के गर्नु छ? You have to use the form of the verb. Class 8 मा option वाला आउँछ भने 9 मा option आउँदैन. 9 क्लास मा कस्तो आउँछ भने ब्रैकेट मा वर्डहरु दिएको हुन्छ, verb को form select गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. So like this एउटा example छ. Every Monday है. अनि every Monday के छ? Sally drive. Yes. अनि dot her kids to football practice. अब यो drive लेखेछ त्यसमा सुरुमा के लेखेछ? Every Monday. Every Monday हुने बित्तिकै यो के भइहाल्छ?
Simple
यो
present.
simple present भइहाल्छ है. Okay. So त्यो हिसाबले simple present use गर्नु छ. In the same way कहीं अरु टेन्स पनि हुन सक्छ. So त्यो ध्यान दिने है. या present tense मात्र हुन पनि सक्छ. So यो ध्यान दिने खासै गाह्रो छैन. 10 वटा छ. यो 10 वटालाई म शेयर गर्छु, ग्रुपमा पनि पठाइदिन्छु. जसको